The future of smart kitchens in 2025. Simplifying life one gadget at a time. Welcome to the age of the smart kitchen, a space where convenience, sustainability, and technology meet to transform how we cook, eat, and think about food. In 2025, kitchens aren't just rooms in a house, they're digital ecosystems. This year's biggest trends revolve around connectivity, automation, and personalization. Let's explore what's hot in the world of kitchen innovation and how these trends are shaping everyday life. Smart appliances are the heart of the modern kitchen. From refrigerators that track inventory and suggest recipes based on what's inside, to ovens that sync with your calendar and prepare meals to be ready when you walk in the door, the smart kitchen is built to remove friction from your routine. Voice-activated coffee machines, AI-powered blenders that adjust textures based on your dietary goals, and dishwashers that monitor water usage in real time are no longer futuristic. They're everyday realities. These devices not only save time, but also help reduce food waste and energy consumption. Sustainability remains a top priority. Consumers are more eco-conscious than ever, and 2025 sees an evolution in kitchen habits focused on zero waste and low-impact living. Composting systems built directly into kitchen counters and cabinets are gaining popularity. These systems automatically sort biodegradable waste, converting it into usable compost within days. Induction cooktops with precise temperature control use less electricity, while smart faucets regulate water flow to minimize waste. Modular kitchen setups that prioritize recycled and recyclable materials are also trending, offering customizable and sustainable solutions that don't compromise on style or function. Meal planning and nutrition tracking have entered a new era. AI-driven apps connected to your kitchen devices now offer hyper-personalized meal suggestions based on your health goals, allergies, and even your DNA profile. With these systems, the kitchen becomes a nutrition lab, constantly optimizing your meals for better health. Barcode scanners and optical sensors built into pantry shelves scan ingredients and offer real-time feedback on sugar, sodium, and fat content, suggesting healthier substitutions when necessary. Meal prep has evolved into a guided, intelligent process, ensuring you not only eat well, but eat smart. Community and experience are redefining the kitchen's purpose. Kitchens are no longer isolated from the rest of the home. Open concept living integrates kitchens as interactive spaces for connection and creativity. Virtual cooking classes, hosted by chefs via AR interfaces built into kitchen backsplashes or smart mirrors, allow people to learn new cuisines without leaving home. Voice-controlled playlists, ambient lighting settings, and built-in aromatherapy diffusers turn cooking into a full sensory experience. In 2025, the kitchen is a hub for wellness, entertainment, and digital interaction, proving that this essential space continues to evolve with both technological advances and human needs at its core.